Okay, I'm back at Goodrich Road. There's that guy's in New York. Now he's in New Jersey. I'm right on the state line. And you notice I don't have a backpack on. So since I'm flipping up to Maine real soon here, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow, I have my RAV4 that needs the service call, and there is a Toyota dealer not too far from here, and in the bush of Maine there's not going to be too many Toyota dealers. So I'm going to show you the forward view. So the point is that I'm going to take my car in to get service today, but I want to get in a couple miles. Ooh, so that's what I'm trying to do. So my appointment is at 12:30, and it's now 10:30. So I want to get in 2.2 miles and zoom back to the appointment. These are called bog boards. Okay, here's my big climb for the day. I have the camera oriented at level to my eyes. So it's really hard to show what the climb looks like. but it's a couple tenths of a mile long, up and down the other, and pretty much a glide to my car. A lot of terraces here. I wonder if this is something called a cane terrace that forms along the side of a glacier. I have to do some excavations to see if that was loose material over there. Okay, I'm at 1349.0, and you can see I'm in suburbia. This is Unionville, New York. I think that fence line there is probably the state line between New York and New Jersey. And I'm still in Jersey, and I'm just about to pop out at the end of my horrendous 2.2 mile section. By the way, I got my microphone set up that I had. The microphone attaches to a clip to my lapel or whatever, t-shirt, and the microphone attaches to the clip by a magnet, and somehow or another that thing popped off. I think at some time near the end of my hike, that second section of the hike yesterday. Now I can't find that microphone. I do have a backup microphone, but if I lose them as fast as I lost that one, I won't have a microphone for long. That's really, I just don't understand the design of a microphone that has it's held on by a magnet. Oh, well.
In a quarter mile, keep left to continue on County Road 36.
So this is Unionville.
Keep left to continue on County Road 36.
And that's all she wrote in Unionville. Okay, it's still an extension of the last day. On my second leg. I'm on my last leg. Anyhow, I started at 1449.1, and I'm heading 4.8 miles north. I think it's called Liberty Corners or something. I got a shuttle driver, Jamie. He's gonna meet me there in a couple hours. And man, that some hurricane is coming up the East Coast, and the sky condition looks really gray. I've was hoping that I could beat the storm by driving to Mount Washington in New Hampshire tonight on my flip-flop, but it turns out the forecast for Mount Washington is 2 days of rain and cold weather, so it doesn't look like I'll be doing Mount Washington, at least tomorrow. Well, Thursday and Friday. That probably means that I'll flip up to the Kennebec River and see if I can get the canoe ride across the river, because that shuts down on September 30th. Then maybe I'll go back with better weather to Mount Washington and do a couple of days of hiking in the presidentials and get the worst of that out of, well, worst or best, the highest and most difficult weather problems out of the way. And then I'll head north to Katahdin and then hike south. That's a tentative plan. You can't beat this for a trail, huh? More New Jersey Turnpike. Woohoo! God, I bet there's a toll coming up. Okay, I'm at 350.1. I think it was 284 highway or something. And it's beginning to rain. That was about 1 mile in. Oops. Wow. This is some marvel of construction. At any rate, continuing on. No rain, no pain, no Maine. And I've had plenty of pain. Boy, I really can't pull out the far out to see what mile I'm at here. I guess maybe when I'm editing I can tell you. But it is so really pretty right there right now. I mean, it's raining. I'm getting a little wet. Still haven't put any rain gear on. I was just talking to my sister and then saw this stunning scene and wanted to capture it. So, wow, pretty cool. Hey, check this out, man. Somebody brought some lawn chairs out for me. I don't think I'll sit here in the rain though. Okay, I've been walking on these bog boards for maybe 3/10 of a mile, maybe more. I was talking to my sister. Hi, Lucia. At any rate, they have just gone on and on. And I guess it would be really good if we had some carnage for the video and I wiped out on the bog boards. But I'm really kind of hoping not to do that. I've nearly... dang it! I guess I shouldn't have talked about it. That hurt. I missed the end of the board. Well, there. Hope you guys enjoyed that carnage. But the pain continues here. Looks like I'm off of the bog boards, though. Yeah. I'm just about done with my section. I guess in total I will have gotten about 7 miles today. And I forgot to mention, look what I've gotten out for the first time in a long time. So I've reached the highway at 1353.9. Just another one of the never-ending roads in this end of the world. So here I will sit. Oh, and well, I'll explain my oh. Here I'll sit and wait for Jamie, the shuttle driver, to come and get me. But one last thing, I'm in New York now. So this is my 9th state out of 14. I guess that's a yeehaw. I was along the road yesterday, along the border yesterday, but didn't actually go into it on the trail. But today I've actually crossed into New York. But the trail over the next section goes in and out of New York and New Jersey. This is probably my ride right here.